In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a repository on Bitbucket, which is a collaborative platform widely used for managing code. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily add team members or collaborators to your repository. This is particularly useful when working in a team setting where multiple developers need access to the same codebase. So, let's get started. First, head over to your Bitbucket workspace. This is the main area where all your projects or repositories are organized. Think of it as your command center, where you can see everything that's going on with your projects. Once there, click on the repository you want to share. This action will take you to the specific code repository, which is essentially a storage location for every piece of your code, your history, and any other assets your project might require. Once in your repository, the next step is to navigate to the repository settings. You'll find this option on the left sidebar. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various settings related to your repository. From this menu, you want to select Repository Permissions. This permissions page is crucial because it controls who can access your code and what actions they are allowed to perform. Now it's time to add the users or groups you want to give access to. In the Permissions section, look for the option that says Add Users or Groups. Clicking on it opens a new input box where you can enter the Bitbucket username or the email address of the individuals or groups you want to share access with. An important thing to note here is that you can add multiple users at a time, up to 10, making it efficient if you have a team. After adding the users, you need to decide what level of access they should have. Bitbucket provides several permission levels, such as read, write, and admin. These determine what actions the new members can take. For instance, read might allow them just to look at the code, whereas write lets them make changes. It's essential to choose the appropriate level that matches their role in your project. Once you've set the permissions, hit Confirm to finalize everything. This step is straightforward, but a critical confirmation that the access you specified will now become active. If you've added someone using their email who doesn't have a Bitbucket account yet, they'll receive an email inviting them to create one. Once they do, they'll gain access to the repository with the permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully shared your repository on Bitbucket. This process not only empowers your team by granting the necessary access, but also keeps your workflow organized and seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!